Close your eyes for a moment and imagine this. You wake up tomorrow morning, swing your legs over the bed and try to stand, but your legs feel like jelly. Your arms shake as you reach for a glass of water. Panic sets in. How did this happen? What if I told you the real culprit is already working inside your body right now, quietly stealing your strength without a single warning sign? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which foods can help you rebuild muscle, even if you're over 80, so please stay with me. Did you know your muscles are actually weakening as you read these words? That mysterious weakness you've been sensing isn't your imagination. After age 50, your body silently begins to break down muscle tissue. No pain, no warning. This condition is called sarcopenia, and it's stealing your strength and independence right under your nose. Have you found yourself waking up exhausted, struggling to get off the sofa, or feeling unsteady on the stairs? This isn't just normal aging. It's the silent fingerprint of a condition affecting millions of seniors. And yet, doctors rarely talk about it. The World Health Organization now recognizes sarcopenia as a real disease. Unlike other conditions that announce themselves with pain or fever, sarcopenia works in the shadows. It dismantles your strength slowly until it becomes painfully obvious. Weaker legs, poor balance, trouble standing up, and unexplained falls that seem to come out of nowhere. Harvard research has revealed a shocking truth. You can lose up to 33% of your muscle mass after age 60, even if you think you're eating well and feel healthy. And here's the scariest part. For many, this loss actually starts in their 50s. If you or someone you love is over 50, this video could change everything. Before we go further, please take a second to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. Every week we share life-changing health insights that could dramatically improve your quality of life. Don't miss the next video. It might be exactly what you or a loved one needs. Now for the good news, this decline isn't inevitable. Recent breakthroughs are proving that muscle loss isn't something you just have to accept. In fact, one groundbreaking study found that 91% of people over 70 regained significant muscle mass in just 6 weeks, through simple dietary changes alone. Yes, you heard that right. Scientists have discovered specific foods that can help rebuild muscle even in people over 80. Food is one of the most powerful tools we have, often even more effective than medications, for restoring strength. Today, I'm going to share 9 muscle-saving foods every senior needs to know. And the 6th one? It's a game changer no one talks about. 1. Brown rice, your steady energy source for strong muscles. Brown rice is often overlooked, but it's a powerhouse for seniors. Unlike white rice, it keeps its fiber and nutrients, providing complex carbs and key minerals that fuel your muscles. These slow-digesting carbs give you steady energy throughout the day, helping you stay active and avoid crashes that drain your strength. Its fiber also aids digestion and supports healthy blood sugar, both critical for muscle function. Brown rice is rich in magnesium, which helps your muscles contract and prevents cramps. It's also a great source of B vitamins, especially B12, which supports nerve function and helps prevent muscle weakness and fatigue. 2. Quinoa, the complete protein powerhouse. Quinoa is one of the few plant-based foods that contain all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to build and repair muscle. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at using protein, making it even more important to get high-quality sources regularly. Quinoa's 8 grams of protein per cup make it an excellent daily addition. Its fiber helps stabilize blood sugar, which keeps your energy levels steady and your muscles strong. Quinoa also offers magnesium, iron, and B vitamins, essential nutrients for muscle function and energy. 3. Walnuts. Nature's anti-inflammatory muscle shield walnuts are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which fight inflammation, a major cause of muscle loss and joint pain. They also contain plant-based protein and antioxidants like vitamin E and polyphenols that protect your muscle cells from damage and help with recovery. A small handful of walnuts each day can support your muscles while satisfying your hunger. Sprinkle them on salads, yogurt, or just enjoy as a snack. 4. Blueberries. The antioxidant muscle protector. Blueberries are tiny but mighty. Their antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, help fight oxidative stress that damages muscle fibers. They also help speed up muscle recovery after exercise or daily activities, making them especially valuable for seniors who take longer to bounce back. On top of that, they support brain health, heart health, and even improve balance, all important for staying active and independent. Try to enjoy at least 1 cup of blueberries daily, whether fresh, frozen in smoothies or on oatmeal. 5. Flax seeds, small seeds, big muscle power. Flax seeds pack omega-3s, fiber, and plant-based protein into a tiny package. Their anti-inflammatory effects help protect muscles and joints, while fiber supports gut health and nutrient absorption. Ground flax seeds are easier for your body to digest. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons daily to smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal to support strength and recovery. 6. Cottage cheese, the nighttime muscle builder. Cottage cheese is rich in casein protein, which digests slowly, providing a steady supply of amino acids while you sleep. This makes it ideal as a bedtime snack, preventing muscle breakdown overnight. It also provides calcium for muscle contractions and bone strength, plus B12 for nerve and muscle health. Enjoy it a few evenings a week with berries or a drizzle of honey to nourish your muscles through the night. 7. Greek yogurt, the powerhouse for recovery. Greek yogurt delivers up to 20 grams of protein per serving, plus calcium and vitamin D for strong bones and muscles. Its probiotics improve gut health, which helps reduce inflammation and improve nutrient absorption. Key for muscle maintenance. Have it 3 to 4 times per week, especially at night, to support overnight repair. Add berries or nuts for extra benefits. 8. Fatty fish, the omega-3 secret for strength. Salmon, sardines, mackerel, and tuna are all rich in omega-3s and high-quality protein. Omega-3s reduce inflammation and improve your muscles' ability to use protein, helping you maintain or rebuild strength even as you age. Aim to eat fatty fish 2 to 3 times per week, choosing grilled or baked options instead of fried or salty canned varieties. 9. Lean protein, your weapon against weakness. Lean meats, eggs, and plant-based combinations like beans and grains provide the essential amino acid leucine, which triggers muscle growth. As we age, we need nearly double the protein we did when younger, around 1.2 to 1.5 grams per kilogram of body weight. Consuming enough high-quality protein spread throughout the day is key to preserving muscle. The choices you make today shape your strength and independence tomorrow. Muscle loss isn't inevitable, but you must act before it becomes irreversible. Start incorporating these foods now. They're not quick fixes, but with consistency, their effects build up and protect you for years to come. Don't wait until you fall or find yourself struggling to get out of a chair. Start strengthening your body today. Your strength and independence might not depend on expensive treatments, but on simple foods sitting in your kitchen right now. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. We share new tips each week to help you live stronger, longer, and happier. Share this video with someone you love. It could change their life. And let us know in the comments, which of these foods will you try first? Will you take action today?